What's up? What it is, YouTube? It's Don't Play Trent checking in live from the lab. Back at it again with another video here on the little account. And I'll give you guys tips and tricks on how to grow a little account into a big deal. So without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into today. We got another live trading session. Today is Thursday, May 28th. I'll be forgetting days. Thursday, May 28th, and we're gonna be trading US 30 and NAS. Let me go ahead and break down. It's right before the open. It's 9:24, so I'm kind of waiting for the open to kind of take advantage of a move. But so far, not so good. It hasn't been the best last 2 weeks for me. I've been kind of really struggling in the markets. Yesterday we traded. Ultimately, we lost more than usual, which is kind of not being disciplined because I went back and added more to my account to trade with. But according to the charts, we lost $223 yesterday on the live accounts. And as far as the prop firm, we basically hit break even. So the trade that we took on US 30, which we were up a significant amount, we were up over 250 pips. We had bought in right here. Let me show you guys on the screen. My fault. We had bought in right here at this 550, 500 bank level is where we had bought in at. And you see, yeah, we bought in like somewhere right here, and you can see we were up over 250, almost 300 pips in profit, and then price came all the way back down and basically took us out today. So we end up profiting $1.14 on yesterday's trade, but it's all good. Ain't no pressure. We do need to bounce back, so let's go ahead and do a little bit of let's go ahead and do some analysis at this point, and let's figure out how we can kind of take advantage of today's market. So let's go ahead with some top-down analysis, which I haven't done in a minute. Like I said, I haven't been trading the best. I haven't been putting up the best performance over the last 2 weeks or so. And let's get back to the basics. At least just try to get us to win. And I think it's more because I've been trying to catch directional plays. You know, I've been trying to catch the whole thing versus, which I don't ever really scout, but I think I need to go back to scalping just to get some momentum and get kind of my feet wet. But let's see what we're looking at. Let's take everything off. So this is the daily. What I'm noticing on the daily is obviously the last couple of days we've been green, but as we're starting to get up here, the green candles are starting to get smaller, which could possibly mean a reversal. We peaked out at 32,250, was basically the all-time highs, but the candles are getting smaller. So who knows what today may bring. We may get a push to the upside. But we could very well also get a retracement to the downside as well. And just checking out these time frames, going from the higher time frame down to the lower time frames, we do still have a higher low here that is still valid. So we're still kind of in the uptrend. As you can see, we never really closed below here. So we made a low here, we made a high, then we also made a higher low here on this time frame. So I'm trying to at least, let me see, yeah. So this is our, I like to get like right on the candles, bing, bing. So it looks like we did make a lower low on this candle. You me. So it looks like we did make a lower low on this candle. So we could definitely be switching trends. We could be coming up here to make the higher low to come back down to make a lower low. And that's kind of what I'm anticipating in a sense, is for a sell-off this morning. Obviously, I don't want to be biased, but I wouldn't be surprised if we got a sell-off. You can see we're struggling to break 30,000. So we could very much well be testing 30,000 to come back lower. And I'm anticipating if we do some way somehow sell off here on NAS, we could possibly break the 750, which we tested it last night. 2-minute warning. We tested it last night, and we possibly could be coming to the 29,500. Give me 1 second, YouTube family. Give me 1 second. Let me bring on my let me bring on the Discord. Join the Discord. Let Discord know that we are live. And let's try to make some money today. Okay, so I got the Discord in, which everybody will be joining in just a second. Let's make sure that my liquid is refreshed and loaded. And like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we got a sell off this morning. But it's all on, where do we get in? Where do we get in at? Because we did have some terrible USD news, terrible, which not to you. I'm starting to not give a fuck about the news because the news is so damn not helpful, not how it used to be. But on US 30, like I said, I could potentially be seeing a sell off on US 30, so I wouldn't be surprised if we break this 500 and continue to sell off. Which that's actually what I'm gonna do on the funded account. I'm gonna go ahead and put in I'm gonna put in a stop order. I think we're gonna sell off 500. So let's do, yeah. Yeah, that's US 30 already like. I got a sell stop in for US 30. I think US 30 is gonna sell off. Yeah, US 30. Damn, it's tanking. It's US 30 is already tanking, which I kind of figured that. NAS might be going the opposite direction. Yeah, I might be late to the party on NAS. Because I think NAS could push up. They've been kind of doing the opposite of each other. US 30 is sold off. We're approaching a buyer's territory. Damn, US 30 is fucking sinking right now. Up $100 on US 30. With NAS, let's try to find our way into NAS. I want to get in right here at this bank level, but I also don't want to get faked out as well. What I'm gonna do on US 30 is I'm gonna go ahead and make US 30 break even because I think we could be selling off. Yeah, I want to get into NAS, but it's like kind of too far away from where I like to enter at. I like to enter right at the bank level here, but let's see if it comes down and give us a retest. And look at US 30 just like plummeting. My stop loss is already break even. Actually, I'm not even gonna play with US 30. Let's first make this bitch break even. At this point, I'm just trying to get some fucking momentum. And I think NAS could possibly be doing the same. I think that could have been the fake out for NAS. Nope, I lied. NAS came back for the retest.
Yeah, that's a mean ass wig.
Nope, NAS might be selling. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take the sell on NAS. I'm gonna take the sell on NAS. I'm gonna go in light because I think NAS is gonna sell. Come back up to our trend line and doesn't get struggling to break 30,000. All right, my stop loss tight just in case they want to play. We go to drop on NAS.
I wish you the best at everything that you do.
Leaving profit. US 30 is trying. Damn, US 30 came all the way back and took me out for break even. Oh well. Something told me to just close. I had a feeling it's gonna do that fuck shit.
You put it below break even?
Yeah, I just made
Because it ain't go all the way there.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck. It took me out though. Oh well. It looks like it's coming back. Looks like it is coming back. Damn, look at the fucking wick on that bitch there. I think I'm gonna load up on that. If it continues to drop, breaks my trend line, get in another entry. But first 5 minutes. It's so fucking weird. Oh, see, on this chart, it came. I think I'm gonna get into another sale.
I know you seen. I know you seen it go down last night. What? Nasdaq. Me and Smokjack was on that bit last night. That bit was going crazy. It was on a downtrend like a bit. Like it broke down. Yeah. I'm talking about Smokjack smacked the fuck out of their ass last night, bro. He smacked the fuck. Every play that he caught, bro, he smacked the fuck out of their ass. Just know that, bro. He really smacked their ass. That shit, that's crazy. Did I get in? Hell no, my leg was hurting so bad, bro. I wanted to jump in, bro, but I couldn't pay attention to my parts, bro. Like, your leg ain't fucking with your fingers. Bro, that shit was bad, nigga. I was getting this bitch crying, bro. That's how bad my shit was hurting. It was on my broken leg, bro. I was about to pop. I called my dog for a Percocet, and I never popped a Percocet in my life, bro. Oh, what? Huh? No, I didn't, man. Nah. Nah, bro, I had to drink, bro. Like when I started drinking, it started feeling like I started caring less about the pain, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I popped 3 ibuprofens. Yeah, I heard Percocets hurt the pain, but then my dog was he said he didn't have a perk. He said he had something else, and then Smoke was like, "No, Mr. Biggs, don't do it, bro, because like it can be fake or it can be some real shit." He said Perk tell you the same thing, and that's what the same thing. That shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't pop pills, you feel me? So like I listened to Smoke. I said, "Fuck, I'm gonna start drinking, bro. That's gonna help ease the pain, bro." Shit, and it did, bro. And I fell asleep on some Mojack ass. Now my shit feel better, but like it don't hurt like that unless I walk on it. I don't try to walk on that bit, bro. But it's on my broken leg, 'cause, you know, I got steel plates and screws and shit in my leg, bro. It's that leg. That shit be happening out of nowhere. Yeah. Still at me on Instagram and shit. Hey. You said what now? I'm getting still at me. What I do? I know you. You say Instagram. I should around 2 pockets. But I did get in on my goddamn demo, my paper trading account. I didn't get it on my real account. I'm still floating on my demo on my paper trade.
Man, why the hell you didn't get in on your real account? It's something.
Man,
It's the
man. But then I was like, man, fuck this shit. And then like my laptop started acting up, bro, and I couldn't log on to my VPS. The phone acting up too, like my internet and everything. So I was like, you know, it's not meant for me to trade, bro.
Yeah.
But then I forgot my demo account was still trading, and I'm on that bit right now. I'm up $1,000, bro, on my demo from when me and Smojack was traded.
Like I said, it's the confidence, brother.
That's what Smojack told me. Trust yourself.
And if you skeptical, but just go light.
Yeah, Smojack be saying that shit too. He be getting mad at me.
Yeah.
Wait till you start understanding you get them $34 each time. It's definitely up the lot size. It's gonna be the same move, just different lot size, different bump balance. So you're gonna start getting to a number that you're comfortable with until you start building more money from it, and then you up the lot size somehow. Right. So you know that numbers when you get the we don't keep going up. We got a slight entry on the small time frame. I'm gonna let it ride. Because you see that time frame. It's certain things you see. That'll let you know the whole take profit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm always following the higher time frame. But it's on the small time frame. It'll be a lot of pullbacks by finding the breakout in that direction. I understand what you're saying. So breakout is what liquidity with resistance and all that. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So when it break out, if it comes back to that level, I have a stop loss under it. You know what I'm saying? So it grab the liquidity and go back up or go back down. Yeah. Oh, and I hope it be $25 right now. How you what now? How'd your notes?
I mean, hide the little thing that you reshare and shit. How you hide that?
I don't know how to do that.
Stop me like a bitch. I'm all live. I'm getting so loud by the next shit. He didn't tell me. I see the throwing some messages in the bitch. What? Only I know because he texted it to me.
No. Talk the last girl the one you helped out. Cool, you know what I'm saying? I'm not showing no interest. That's probably what it is. And she thinking I'm so well got down in my business. Damn, bro. She missed you, bro.
I know she do.
Bro, bro. Don't be toxic, bro. Hell no.
And the little vacation thing she showed me, I'm taking the money to the motherfucker. Yeah, hell yeah. Back
I'm gonna close out this little profit. All right, let me get back in there. So I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's one thing I struggle with, bro. It's closing fucking profit. I be wanting to catch the whole thing instead of compound my way up. Okay, made a little 140. US 30 look like it want to go the opposite direction, huh? Which it is. Damn, that bitch is shooting. Get back in the NAS.
Yeah, that be nasty. She real nasty. She fucked up in it. Well, look at her. She going. Say, she drop it. We rock it. Yeah, I should have jumped in that damn my live account yesterday, but I did it on the demo. I tried to do it on my live, but my shit started acting up. But I did it on the demo. My demo was floating since last night. I'm trading right now on my live. I ain't doing too much. I just did 10 cents and that's it, bro.
Okay, go US 30 with bullshit again. Let's see what the fuck US 30 trying to do. Yeah, we can break this trend line. I'll take that bitch again. I'm in the middle though. I think I'm gonna take US 30 one more time. Damn, there that bitch go.
That's stupid.
Fucker.
Oh, I hate them pullbacks, man. Yeah.
Damn. I think Nas might be reversing.
As I thought. Um,
Shit. Damn, it's at a tricky ass spot. But like Nas might be turning around right here at this trend line. Where do we get in at though? Where the fuck can we get in this bitch at? Like Nas and US 30 is on the opposite of each other.
you know, I'm still in on gold.
I feel like that bitch want to drop. No lie.
That's a mean as 4 hour win. How much time left on that?
10 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
I think that bitch want to drop though. Okay. Damn. Come on, man. Damn. It's a waiting game at this point. Can't do shit. Maybe if she could break this, I'll pick up 5. Obviously, breaking the most recent high, I'll take a buy. I'm anticipating her to sell. I'm anticipating her to sell. Really everything to sell. Kind of anticipating NAS to keep selling too. Like a small trend line in this area. My sell on US30. Getting NAS for a light position. Another sell. Breaking this mini trend line here. Now I think I'll add if we continue to go lower. Stop loss is above here. US30 is trying to tank. Entering US30 again. Yeah, I just got back in. Sell on US30. I think I ain't gonna be greedy. I'm gonna take it to the next bank level. I ain't gonna be greedy. I think if NAS break this level, keep my trend line and I'm gonna load up. Take it to the next bank level too.
It's strange. No, I'm trying to like walk around like a truck. Cause that truck was coming and on the pin.
This shit here. This bitch don't stop moving. This bitch is moving so fucking fast. Let's close this shit. This shit is not even allowing me to close, bro. This shit here is ridiculous. Fuck. You see this shit, bro?
Shoot.
At least it got me out of the fucking trade. It just did 250 fucking points that fast. My shit is moving too fucking slow. Oh, I can't fucking trade. Just missed the fucking entry on that ass, bro. My shit moving too slow, bro. Literally missed my shit on that.
Gold, same thing.
I see that. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
You like that?
This bitch just get fuck up.
All those ain't sweet. Ain't medicine. Make you catch a heart attack. It started. Just left downtown, so got my 40 back. It smell like the sun. But if you don't make it, boy, right, you turn right now. Wow. In that first street. So many cars. I used to be around like 2, 3. You know, like, I started seeing cars going, oh, this has got to be a way to cut through. It's so fat like that, but I can't.
Oh, man, this shit's so pussy. No, I was in US 30 for a sale, but my shit froze on me. I couldn't even. By the time that shit came back, I'm down $250. I'm like, what the fuck? Damn, I missed my entry on that. And I'm trying to get in the buys on that, but my shit tweaking. I got one more attempt in me. I got one more attempt. All right, YouTube, I think I might be done for the day. I'm not even gonna lie. I know y'all just seen that bullshit, but that was partially my fault trading US 30 without a stop loss, even though you're supposed to put a stop loss in, but I feel like when you're monitoring the trade, you're staring right at the trade. You can be able to have the discipline to get out when it gets near your stop loss area, right? But in this case, as you can see, this fucking candle came out of nowhere and literally froze to where I couldn't even do anything. You can see it literally froze, and I'm like, bro, it didn't even allow me to close the trade when I wanted to close the trade. So I ended up taking, like, I don't even know how much I lost until I came back here. I'm like, okay, I lost $232 on this particular trade. So, oh well. At this point, done trading this account for today. I'm already just not in the headspace, so I'm not even going to continue to trade this account anymore because I only have a $500 limit that I can lose, which is, you know, losing that much is way more. I mean, losing more than 200 is way more than I needed to. But anyway, I think I got one more attempt in me on Nas, which I see looks like the buys kind of want to come in and take over. At least that's what it looks like. Maybe we could be getting faked out, but who knows? Maybe the sellers are trying to come back in. I want to see how we react when we get near this 30,000 mark, which could very well been a fake out. But let's see how this thing reacts once it touches this 30,000. Could be loading back up for the sales, but then again, I mean, the direction looks like it wants to buy, so maybe this is just coming back to retest this area to continue to go long. I see that other chats are calling longs as well, but I'm just not confident in the buys right now. I'm just not. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see, like we're trying to do something out of this area. Yeah, this could be the retest off of 30,000. Honestly, we see how this candle closes. I mean, if this can give me like a bullish engulfing candle, then I'll look for the long. I'll look for the longs, but if it starts to wick off and come back down and close inside 30,000, then I'll go with the sales. But for now, this moment, as you can see, even the 5-minute candle is wicking. Got like 10 more seconds. 5-minute candles wicking. Like I said, the bullish engulfing looks pretty good. And I think I'm gonna end up taking longs. What time is it? 10:25. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go longs here. Going light though. Yeah, I think I like longs here in this area. Said I was gonna go in light, but I didn't. Come back and retest 30,000. Got a bullish. See how it goes. We could break this area up here. I'll add into this area. I kind of got a little bit of aggressive in a sense. Should have been going light, but kind of went aggressive. I guess that's my last opportunity on the day. Let's see if we could. 3-minute also looks good. Couple of measly $20, nothing crazy. But I will look to more potential entries here if we could break this high for the day. I think I'm gonna make my stop loss really tight. I honestly don't even care to continue to trade my. I just hated how that candle just took all my little momentum confidence away, and I'm like, bro, I should have not lost $200 on that fucking on that funded account, you know. But that was kind of me. I'm not gonna say even me being stubborn because I would have gotten out had it reached $50-$60, which for whatever reason I didn't put in my stop loss at $50-$60 because I just didn't anticipate it moving that damn fast. Let's try to clean up some of this stuff here. Try to clean up some of our area. Like I said, what the fuck is that? Someone was crawling on it. Like I said, boy, what? So far, we're looking pretty good. Like I said, I will add if we can pass our random line here. Do we have an alert on this? We don't. Let's make sure we get an alert on this random line that we entered pretty much at 30,000. 30-minute candle's about to close. And I'll look to just take this at the next bank level and I'll be done for the day, honestly. And I'm just trying to get some type of confidence back because I haven't been winning really any trades. I've been winning trades, but I haven't really been making any profit for like the last 2 weeks. So I'm just trying to compound my way up, get what I can get because I keep depositing from my wallet. I'm like, bro, it's time for me to withdraw some money back to the wallet because the more I keep, even if it's just $100, like I'll take that. But yeah, I haven't even been able to have a good day in a minute. So I'm just trying to find some confidence back to let me know I'm still that man. You know what I mean? So it's like this is a beautiful bullish engulfing that happened right off the 30,000. So once you understand candlestick analysis, you know, you really want to pay attention obviously to all time frames, but the smaller time frames really dictate who's in control at what moment in time and at what area. So at this particular time, you see on the lower time frames, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, we see that the buyers pretty much take control at this 30,000, which is also a major bank level. So this is what kind of gave you the confidence as I'm seeing it now, that the buyers may be in control in this area and we could possibly continue to push up. So like I said, we'll be looking to add entries once we get here, signaling that we're breaking the high. We're going to see how far we can run, and I'll probably even get more aggressive at that particular point. And I'm just taking it to the next bank level. I'm not trying to be greedy or hold or anything. I just really don't like the market's movement recently. I don't even want to look at US 30 no more today. I'm done looking at US 30 for today. Like, US 30, you did me wrong by just not letting me get out. Like, I wouldn't mind taking a loss, but come on, you freeze on me and all this slow. Like, bro, like the market moves so fast that trading view couldn't even grasp. It couldn't even catch on in time. So we up 110. That's not bad. Like I said, that's not bad. I ain't trying to get greedy. What I am going to do is I'm going to add some more positions up here, and I'm going to make these last positions break even. So once we get to this line, I'll make these positions break even, and then I will be looking to see if we can hold at least until 30,250 back up here at this bank level, and then I'll be done for the day. I'm not even gonna lie, but I'll be done for the day. I'm gonna take my son to the park. We're struggling. Let me see if these people are still on. We are going in the opposite direction right now. Even this 5-minute close, very bullish and strong. So 3-minute and a 5-minute, which is, we call this a 3-minute variation with 2 candles basically make 1 candle on the next time frame. But it's a very, very beautiful variation. At this point, let's wait and see what price wants to do. Waited for the retest. Whoever missed it, I wanted to get in here, but kind of missed this entry. So this was the retest that it gave us to get back in, which we did. US 30 shot up. Look at this US 30. Probably, I said, would have came to this bank level here, but I wasn't in on the sales. I wasn't in on the buys, and I should have been aware. I should have read this differently. I could have definitely read that differently. But anyway, we're done with US 30 for the day. And we got one more attempt into NAS. How many positions we have in? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Yeah, 18 positions into NAS right now. I think I'm gonna make these break even. Make these break even. That way I can get a better entry. I'll come and enter closer to 30,000 if it does come back, or even under it. Hoping it just turns around and shoots up from here, though. That'd be beautiful. Minute candle just closed. Literally comes within a few pips. But I think that is about that time for me to jump off of here. I think I did what I needed to do for the day. Would like for this trade to push up in front of y'all, but it is taking its time and it's struggling. Looks like it's trying to do something. Well, you see just how small these candles have gotten. Don't get me wrong. Looks like we came back and retest 29,750, grabbed some liquidity. We could possibly continue to push up, but we'll see. Struggling to continue to push up. Struggling. All right, let me let them know I'm about to get off. Nah, just like not doing anything right now. I'll be gonna move later on today when nobody's looking. Hey, yeah, I'm about to jump off this bitch. I'm in some buys on that, but that bitch is playing around, so I ain't gonna try to chase her ass. I got my shit break even, so if they come back and take me out, then fuck it. Puss ass, US 30. All right, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all on this bitch in the morning. All right, YouTube family, that's the Discord. A couple of them are still in trades as well, but for me, like, as soon as I'm about to get off, look what it want to do. Like, come on, as soon as I'm trying to get off this bitch, it wants to kind of push up in front of y'all. But let's see, are we still in? Yeah, we're still in, up over 100, which is, you know, not bad. It's this 10-minute candle coming out slinging like that. Like I said, I would love to add into this trade once we break this random line. So I'm hoping it does that, but I don't think it's going to do that. I don't think it's going to do that while I'm on camera, unfortunately. So what I'm thinking about doing is taking profit on the ass and just be going with my little, be just satisfied with my little profits, even though I'm down 200 and something on the funded account. Most important is the live account, which I'm floating right now on. But another day of live trading. I don't know. This week was my first week trying to trade 2 pairs, which I haven't traded 2 different pairs in a very, very long time. I'm usually like 1 for all or all for nothing type of thing. Like, so this week I've been trading US 30 without actually physically trading it live. Like, I just see it, call it out, and I've been hitting. But the moment I go live on it is when, you know, it's usually always like that, right? The moment you put your money where your mouth is, you can't do anything that can't do all the stuff when you were just sitting on the sidelines. But for the most part, we are. See, I ain't got time for this. This is why I'm like, bro, you keep playing Rocket games today. You are playing Rockhead games. Like, for real. Maybe I'm just being impatient. Maybe it's about to move. The moment I get up and walk away, then it starts to move. But regardless, I'm still up $113 on the day. So whether this trade comes back and hit breaks even or continues to push up, still locked in $113. That's, all my other trades are break even. So once this trade is done, I'm gonna go ahead and withdraw the profits from the day and move it back into the wallet and just try to go into tomorrow with a better mindset. Try not to let today's trades affect tomorrow trades, type of thing. So again, it is Don't Play Trent. I'm signing out for today with another live session. I'll update you guys obviously on the board to let you guys know how this trade finished out. But for now, it looks like it wants to shoot up, but it's like struggling and taking its sweet time. Maybe 11 a.m. we may get some fire price action where price just moves. But it's still shooting up at this point. Thank you, YouTube, for everything. Please don't forget to hit that like button and comment. Let me know what you guys are trading. Let me know what you guys would like to see me do better. Please don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be updated every time I drop a video or a live session like this. But again, it's Don't Play Trent. I'm checking out. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. Gang.